When we were demoing the L, had a lot of the roof boards that were saving for the inside of the new addition there on the roof line were taken off the rafters, and we found something.
It's a book on the American Revolution from 1826.
No.
In the walls.
No. Are you kidding me?
Not
So
kidding
you had told us at one point that a Revolutionary War officer
Yes.
resided in your house.
Yes, who worked right under George Washington. And was at Valley Forge and witnessed much of the Revolutionary War and wrote about it in his letters to his wife, all of which have formed an important basis for history of the Revolutionary War. Wow.
So,
Oh my
little night
God.
reading now for you.
Look at that.
What is it?
1826.
And a name, I can't quite make it out. Jarrett
Atwater. It looks like.
Atwater.
Yeah.
Jarrett Atwater, another one here. How about that? Jarrett Atwater.
So where did you find these?
Right up where the rafters that we were saving, just sitting right in there. One of the guys found it.
Look at this. This is so exciting.
Well, you've got some more research work that you have to do now.
yeah,
We're piling
I
it
know.
on for you, but enjoy it. Tell us what you figure out.
Thank you.
And if we find anything else, we'll let you know. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.